welcome back to Trailer Park Cooking. I'm Genie B Delishus, and today we are making my favorite salad. I don't know what to call this salad. I just know that my daughter Daylin, she came to my house for dinner and she's like, Mom, let me make you this awesome salad, and it's super simple. So the first ingredients would be romaine lettuce, because that's about the only lettuce I eat. And then pick your fruits of your choice. I have blackberries, I have raspberries, I have blueberries, and I have strawberries. And now strawberries are definitely... So we get some fruits that we love. We got your lettuce, and we got some almonds, just sliced almonds. And then just pick a nice... You know what I really like is poppy seed dressing, but they were out. This one is an Asian toasted sesame. You can do stir fries with it as well. But what I do is I just take my salad and then stick it in the bowl. I think I saw one of my hairs in there, by the way. So you got your lettuce, and then just throw some fruit on there. Those are some blueberries. And of course I've already rinsed my fruit. Some blackberries, some raspberries, razzle dazzles. I like raspberries because they're kind of smushy and hairy. I like hairy things. And then of course our strawberries. And just kind of cut them up a little bit. Alright, so now we have our fruit and a little bit of vegetables, and then, come on now! Okay, alright, and then we got some Asian dressing. You do have a vinaigrette, I just don't like vinegar. And then you put that little bit of salad dressing on there. And you fluff it a little. And you just stir it up a little. You know, you just fluff it. And, you know, it's really refreshing. And, you know, it's kind of good for you. And I'm like saying, you know, a lot. Sorry. You can tell when I'm under the influence of something alcoholic. And I'm going to try to get a little bit of all the fruit on this plate. But it's kind of Asian-y tasting, and fruity, and there's a little blueberry and raspberry taste, but it's a yummy salad. I mean, I just thought that, you know, we make a lot of fried foods. Just so all of you out there who think that I always eat fried foods that are unhealthy for me, like macaroni and cheese and bacon every single day, I actually eat salads. Isn't it amazing? And get this, I go to the gym. I was craving something tangy and sweet and not ice cream involved. And so I chose this. Pizza grease too. Don't forget to subscribe, like, dislike, leave a positive comment, leave a negative comment, go on my Facebook and whatever you do there, ask to be my friend, and join me next time for another great recipe on Trailer Park Cooking. I'm Genie B Delishus. Bye y'all!